vlog yesterday. It was my birthday yesterday, and this guy took me on an amazing adventure on a plane with his brother. So go ahead and watch that vlog and then come back to this one. But basically tonight, it's the next day, we're just going to get some dinner and explore like the town of Anchorage a little bit. I've been to this place that we're getting dinner at. It's the Glacier Brew House, and it is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get the salad I got last time because it was so good.
You've only talked about it nonstop.
True. And then we're just gonna explore around a little bit.
So tonight we're gonna have a little date night in Anchorage because last night I was gonna take her out to dinner to end her birthday celebration, but we were very tired. We did a lot yesterday.
Yes.
So we're headed down to Anchorage. We're gonna have some dinner at Glacier Brew House, I think. And then after that, we're gonna try some fudge from Bass Pro Shops, which I've never been to, nor have I ever had their fudge. So it should be pretty fun.
But yeah, we're just gonna have a nice date night in Anchorage. So if you're coming to Anchorage, this is like a perfect video for you if you are wanting a nice night out or a nice even getaway. Come to Anchorage.
Yeah.
And we're going to dinner.
You ready?
Hey guys, so we just got seated and ordered some drinks, and we're at a brew house, and they make their own root beer. And since I'm not over 21, I can't get a beer, so I got the root beer. First trying test. I haven't had root beer in so long. This is probably one of the best root beers I've ever had. It's like not too fizzy either, which is like perfect because all the carbonation just sits there and I eat it. So good. And then Ian ordered a blueberry basil lemonade. I'm gonna try it for him because he's camera shy.
Thoughts?
It's very tart and very basil-y. Nothing like lemonade, but it's actually pretty good.
Looks like you guys might have settled in over here.
Ian didn't like the blueberry and basil lemonade, so we got a regular lemonade. How is it?
The first drink was undrinkable. It's okay. It tastes like Minute Maid, but it's alright. I don't know what to say other than I'm about to dig in.
You guys, we just got our food and we're so excited. This salad, I came here once before and I got this salad, and it is the most delicious salad I've ever had. It has fresh salmon on it, and then it's like a BLT salad. So it has like avocado and tomatoes and cucumbers and bacon and everything, all the mixings. And then we got a mushroom pizza and fried chicken with an egg and gravy on top. And we're gonna dig in because we're hungry. So we just had a lovely dinner at the Glacier Brew House tonight. There was parking actually right outside the brew house, but it's a small parking lot, but if not, there's plenty nearby. And there's actually another one right across the street. I recommend making a reservation because they do book out super fast, or you have to wait because I called an hour before we got there. They said they had no wait, and then I called like 20 minutes before we got there, and they said that there was a 45-minute wait. So in that 20-minute change, 45 minutes have been on the wait list, like crazy. So make sure you make a reservation. It was super good, and if you want to come and try some appetizers, the last time I came, I got the salmon, smoked salmon dip and bread, and that was so good and very fresh.
The food tasted great, and I highly recommend this place.
And I do recommend that if you're over 21, trying some of the beers that they make in the brew house. I couldn't, he definitely could, but he doesn't like beer. And I like root beer, so that's what I got, and that was delicious as well. Which is another thing that they make in the brew house. Now we're on our way to Bass Pro Shops. They actually close in 30 minutes, so we only get a short time there, but I heard that they have like a huge fish tank, and we're gonna try the fudge. Did Bob Ross make Alaska? It's beautiful. You're not.
I've never been here before and I don't feel welcome.
Alright, Ian's brother told us to walk through the doors and go straight to the back because it's a giant fish tank, and he is right. This fish looks fake. It looks like it's just floating there. But it's real. I don't want to scare it.
It's pretty neat. Bass Pro Shops. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Go.
You guys look up. I didn't know they had this, but they got polar bear, elk, fish. They got everything on the ceiling. They got bears, bison. If you look over here, they got a life-size polar bear. He could eat me.
Okay, so the Bass Pro Shops that I'm used to have like a fudge shop, but they just have a stand. But we're picking out flavors, and I picked out cookies and cream and Rocky Road. And maybe a maple walnut. What do you think, Ian?
I'm thinking we should give it a try.
All of these?
Maybe 2.
Or we're doing all of them. Okay, let's go.
You know, when in Alaska, you gotta go to Bass Pro Shops, get the fudge.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, my lady. So, we got some fudge. I don't remember the flavors, but I'm looking forward to trying these. I've never had it. Apparently, Bass Pro Shops has famous fudge. If you guys ever go to Bass Pro Shop, pick up the fudge and take a look at the fish tank because it's pretty amazing. We'll let you know how this tastes.
Hello. Okay, we're back at the Airbnb about to try the fudge from Bass Pro Shops. But before we do, I just wanted to address the issues in Anchorage that I didn't expect when coming to Alaska. I thought it was like a very cute mountainous town, lively and beautiful, and yes, it is beautiful, and yes, lively, and a mountainous town. But there is a huge homeless problem in Anchorage right now, and that is because of the Alaskan Native American tribes that are off in Alaska, and if you do something bad and you're a part of that tribe, then they send you on a one-way ticket to Anchorage, and you're stuck there because you have no money, you have nothing, and you know nobody in the city. And so they're stuck on the streets, and they're very opportunistic, but if given the opportunity, they will snatch your stuff up and take advantage of you. So make sure that you're just careful on the streets in downtown Anchorage. They are they seem to be peaceful, but you know, can never be too safe. Another big issue about the homeless community is that when it gets super cold in Alaska, when the winter months come, they will try to jump in front of your car, and there's a lot of one-way streets downtown, so if they jump in front of your car, you can't really swerve off, but they will try to get to the hospital that way to stay warm while it's rainy or snowy. And right now it's super rainy out. I don't think it's that cold for them to harm themselves. It's just crazy the lengths that they will go to in order to stay warm and survive the winter, because most of them won't. But with that being said, I just wanted to address the issues I've seen and heard of in Anchorage and was not expecting at all coming to Alaska. It has been a great city, a great place. We're actually moving from Eagle River to Anchorage to stay there for about 6 more nights tomorrow. So I get to explore a little bit more of the city, and it's beautiful. I definitely recommend coming here. I wouldn't go to say that Anchorage is dangerous at all. It's just something to be more aware of and take caution of when you come here. All right. We're gonna try the fudge. Okay, we have cookies and cream, Rocky Road, and walnut, and maple walnut.
Maple walnut.
Okay, which one do you want to try first?
Maple walnut.
Okay. Got little pieces for us.
Oh, thank you. Ready? Oh, I'm just going right now. This is rich.
It's so sweet. This is Rocky Road.
Rocky Road.
Oh. It was so rich.
It's almost hard to eat, but it tastes great.
Yeah.
It's just that it's very, very rich.
Yeah.
It's making my mouth water.
Yeah. And then lastly, cookies and cream.
Probably my favorite.
My favorite. This one's pretty subtle with the sweetness.
This is nice. This is good.
I think in order from favorite to least is cookies and cream, maple walnut, and rocky road. How about you?
To be honest, I think I'm gonna say the maple syrup.
Maple
Then,
walnut.
Maple walnut, and the cookies and cream, and then the rocky road.
Yeah, the rocky road is just really, really too sweet and rich. Like we both took one bite,
Yeah, I couldn't finish that one.
Yeah.
At least not one bite.
but I'll take this. You take that. But thanks guys for watching this video. It was a lot of fun taking you guys on our date tonight. We had a great time. And if you guys are ever coming to Anchorage, I definitely recommend checking out the Glacier Brew House.
Absolutely.
They have everything on the menu. It's mostly seafood, but they have pizzas and pasta and just fish dishes and salads and sandwiches and burgers and all this stuff and lots of alcohol. So
Also, on a quick note, the service was really, really good. So
Yeah.
I recommend that place just for the service alone.
yeah, and then also just be careful when you come to Anchorage, and just keep in mind that the homeless are around and ready to do anything in order to keep themselves safe, fed, and warm.
Jinx.
Yeah, but make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you've been to Bass Pro Shops and you've tried the fudge, comment down below what your favorite flavor was, and we'll go back and give it a try.
Yeah. Okay, have a great night, everyone.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. We made it